So in this video, we will quick revise about the valuation of shares. Within one video, you can complete it if you concentrately, if you listen means okay. సో ఈ వీడియోలో అయితే వాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్ గురించి చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. మేబీ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ specific time to write and to explain, so that's why I'm explaining from material only. Basic, simple, easy ma, within 20 minutes you will finish whole chapter. సో అంత ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సో వాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్ నుంచి థియరీ వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమెటిక్ వచ్చిన యూ క్యాన్ అటెంప్ట్ ఇట్. సో ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి, బి క్వశ్చన్. ఆన్ 31st March 2018 ద బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఆఫ్ limited company disclosed the following position. This is the balance sheet, and on 30 కింద చూడండి ఇక్కడ, on 31st March 2018 the fixed assets were independently valued at 7 lakh and goodwill at 70,000. మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా whenever the question in the balance sheet fixed assets is 5 lakhs, goodwill is 40,000, but down what they are saying, fixed assets are independently valued. సో అట్లాంటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి, టేబుల్లో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్నేమో బుక్ వాల్యూ అని అంటాము, కింద వాడు ఇచ్చిందేమో మార్కెట్ వాల్యూ అని అంటాము. సో కింద వాడు ఇచ్చిన అమౌంటే మనము తీసుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద అమౌంట్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద డౌన్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో ఫిక్స్డ్ అసెట్స్. సో మనకి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ నెట్ అసెట్స్ మెథడ్? నెట్ అసెట్స్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ నెట్ అసెట్స్ మెథడ్? Here value of each share, amount available to equity shareholders by number of equity shareholders. Number of equity shareholders will given in question only. What we need to find? Amount available to equity shareholders. We need to find amount available to equity shareholders. To find amount available to equity shareholders, we will prepare this table. What is that table? Assets minus liabilities. That's it. When you will, here you are having assets, here you are having liabilities. Assets minus liabilities is equal to net assets available to equity shareholders. So in assets, what are the assets we should not take means, what are the assets we should not take means, preliminary expenses sometimes they will give here. We should not take that preliminary expenses. Only fixed assets, current asset, goodwill also we should take it. Okay, but we should not take any preliminary expenses in asset side. And in liability side, we should take only debentures, 5% debentures, 9% preferences, like this type of things they will ask. And current liabilities, creditors, we should take it. What we should not take it in liability side? Profit and loss account, issued capital, reserves, general reserve, this type of things we should not take in liability side. Asset side preliminary expenses we should not take. In liability side, what we should not take? Reserves, P&L account, and issued capital, reserves and surplus, this type of we should not take it. So nicely we are drawing a table, particulars, amount. So asset side, fixed asset valuation at 7 lakhs, market value only we should take it. Goodwill as per valuation, it is 70,000. We should not take 40,000 and 5 lakhs because it has changed, it has increased their value. And current assets is 2 lakhs only. So 7 lakhs plus 2 lakhs plus 70,000 is 9 lakh 70,000. And liability side, we should take only 5% debentures, that is 1 lakh. And current liabilities is 1 lakh 30,000. Totally 2 lakh 30,000. Assets minus liabilities, 9 lakh 70,000 minus 2 lakh 30,000 is 7 lakh 40,000. Now we got net assets available to equity shareholders. Now we got net assets method to equity shareholders. We need to convert that into a formula. What is the formula? Amount available to equity shareholders by number of equity shareholders. Amount, how much is available in? 7 lakh 40,000 divided by how much is the number of equity shareholders? In question, issued capital 4 lakhs they have given, amount they have given, per share it is 40,000, 40 rupees it seems. So 4 lakhs is the amount and 40,000 is per share. If we want to the number of equity shareholders means what we should do? 4 lakhs divided by 10 is equal to 40,000. Like this we need to calculate it, we need to divide it. Okay, so 7 lakh 40,000 divided by 40,000, it is 18.5. Value of each share is 18.5. Simple method like this only you will have. You need every time we should only calculate amount available to equity shareholders. In that what you need to learn means what are the assets we should take, what are the liabilities we should take, what are the excluded assets are there, what are the included assets are there, like that you need to practice is. Okay, after practicing it, it is over. Sometimes this question, it will ask for 12 marks, this much only question. So that's why I have said to learn valuation of shares, students. Now we will discuss the second method of valuation of shares, that is yield basis method or earning basis method or market value method. We can call it in three names. Okay, how, what they have given in the question: from the following particulars calculate value of each share. Value of each share we need to calculate, it seems. Okay, 1000 per 1000 rupees, 9 preference shares of 100 each, 1000, 1 lakh. 20,000 equity share at 10%, but 8 per share called up and paid up 1 lakh 60,000. Expected profit year before tax is 2 lakhs. Rate of tax is 40,000. Transfer to general year every year 20%. Normal rate is 15%. First, what is the formula of yield basis means? Expected rate by normal rate into paid up value of each equity, each share. Expected rate into expected rate divided by normal rate. Normal rate, how much they have given? 15% they have given, no, 15% they have given. But expected rate, what is the expected rate formula? Again we need to calculate expected rate formula. How we need to calculate expected rate formula? Average profit divided by total paid up equity share capital. Total paid up equity share capital is here only. What we need to find? Average profit. To find average profit, what is the pro forma? Profit before tax. What is the profit before tax? 2 lakhs, students. Here in question they have given, no, 2 lakhs. And minus tax. Tax rate is 40%, no, we need to deduct it, no. So 2 lakhs into 40%, 80,000, we are deducting it. So what we will get? Profit after tax we will get. Okay, 1 lakh 20,000. So what is the general reserve? Every year we need to transfer general year 20% of profit, no. After getting profit we need to 20% of it. So 1 lakh 20,000 into 20%, 24,000. We are deducting that also. So how much we have got? 96,000. And last one, what is that they are asking? 9% dividend on preference shares. 9% dividend on preferences. Here, students, here, what they have said, 10, 1000, 9% preference shares. Okay, 9% preference shares of 100 each is 1 lakh, it seems. So for that 1 lakh we need to deduct 9%, no, that is called preference share, no. So that is the thing. 1 lakh into 9%, that is 9,000. After transferring to general reserve, whatever the amount we are having, 96,000, from that 96,000 we need to minus it. Okay, సో ప్రిఫరెన్స్ షేర్స్ అనేది 9% అని చెప్పినారు ఇంట్రెస్ట్. సో ఆ 9% అనేది ఏమవుతుంది? డివిడెంట్ అవుతుంది కదా మనకి. సో అది ఎక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? అమౌంట్ వచ్చిన దాని మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనేది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ దే హ్యావ్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్. So what we have got? Average profit we have got. After getting average profit, we need to convert it into a formula. We have got only average profit. Total paid up value, equity share capital. So here in the question, here you see 20,000 equity share of 10 each, 8 per share called up, and paid up is 1,60,000. Paid up value is 1,60,000 here. 1 minute. Here, paid up value of each equity share is 1,60,000. 87,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100. What we will get if you do means expected rate we will get. After getting expected rate, we need to convert this into a formula. Expected rate we have called, just now we have calculated. Normal rate is 15 into paid up value of each equity share. How much paid up value of each equity share? 8 per equity share called up and paid up. Paid up value of each equity is 8 rupees only, no. 10 rupees they have said, but how much they are paying? Only 8 rupees. So that's the thing. So how much we are getting? The expected rate divided by 15 into 8. We will get the calculation of amount of value of equity share, yield basis share. Okay, this I will not show you the formula, and sorry, this for this question I will not show you the answer. You should only do, and after doing that answer, you please comment me in the comment section. Okay, students. So just now we have done no ma average profit we have done. After dividing the average profit, we need to divide by total of paid up equity cash equity share capital. Equity share capital, how much we are giving? 1,60,000. No, into 100. Whatever. For suppose 15 rupees it has came. Okay, 15 divided by 15 into 8. This is the value of shares. Like this you need to do. Just that's it. Okay. So you just do it, because I will not tell this, because you will also get uh okay, I'm showing here only. Okay, see, what is the paid up value of equity share? 1,60,000 we have taken. No, expected rate is 87,000 we have got. 87,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100 is 54.37. Expected rate we have got. 54.37 divided by normal rate is 15 into paid up value of each equity share is 8. So we need to just substitute it. Okay, that's it, students. Okay, this is the yield basis method. The next method is fair value method or dual method. Okay, so nothing, the formula is, what is the formula of this? Means value of net assets method plus share value of yield basis by 2. For example, here mostly this type of questions they may ask in short as well as long also. How they will ask long? Means they will give the pro forma ma. Okay, they will give the pro forma, they will give the pro forma of this and this. They will try to ask you only fair method value. Okay, dual method they will ask. Dual method, if you want dual method, means you want net assets method value, yield basis value, means this much you should do for 12 marks. So that's why I'm saying. So yield basis is fair value of each equity share divided plus, what is the fair value of share value as per net assets method plus yield basis method divided by 2. Okay, in the question, the value of each equity share of a company under net assets method is 140. 140 plus, and yield basis is 125, plus 125 divided by 2, right? So how much we will get answer? 132.5. The fair value method of each equity share is 132 point. Mostly this type of questions they will ask for short. Sometimes, not sometimes, many times from this unit they will ask fair value method only, but this much short question they will not ask ma. This much short questions they will not ask. They will give the whole question. They will ask find only fair value method. To find fair value method, we want net assets method as well as yield basis method. No, so that is the trick. I hope that you have understood this concept. So if you are concentrated, like టైం అనేది చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను స్క్రీన్ రికార్డ్ చేసి పంపుతున్నానమ్మా. సో మీకు కొంతమందికైనా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుందని చెప్పేసి. సో నేను చెప్పింది అయితే నేను 100% అయితే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినాను. ఇట్లనే వస్తుంది క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇంకెక్కువ డిఫికల్ట్గా ఏం రావు. మీకు కావాలి అంటే ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్లో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్, యూ ట్రై టు ప్రాక్టీస్ దట్. ఆఫ్టర్ లిజనింగ్ దిస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ యూ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ గెట్ టు నో అబౌట్ ది ఆన్సర్. ఫార్ములాస్ ఏముంటాయి, అండ్ నెట్ అసెట్స్ మెథడ్లో లయబిలిటీస్లో ఏమేమి తీసుకోవద్దు, అసెట్స్లో ఏమేమి తీసుకోవద్దని ఒక కామన్ థింగ్ అనేది ఉండాలి. అండ్ ఈల్డ్ బేసిస్ మెథడ్లో టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ రేట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా, టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఈ షేర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా, యావరేజ్ ప్రాఫిట్స్కి ఏమేమి ఫార్ములా, ఇవన్నీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. అండ్ ఈల్డ్ బేసిస్ అయితే నెట్ అసెట్స్ ప్లస్ ఈల్డ్ బేసిస్ డివైడెడ్ బై 2. This is about the unit number 5. This is very much important. Theory వచ్చినా కూడా you can attempt it ma. So problem ఏ వస్తుంది అని అయితే నేనైతే అష్యూరెన్స్ ఇవ్వలేను, బికాస్ సమ్టైమ్స్ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ థియరీ ఫ్రమ్ గుడ్ విల్ అండ్ ప్రాబ్లమెటిక్ ఫ్రమ్ వాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్. Sometimes they will ask problematic from goodwill and theory from valuation of shares. Sometimes they will ask both problematic only. So that's the thing I am saying. So if you are perfect with the problematic, you can attempt short like theory questions also. In theory questions what they will ask ma, what is the value of net assets method, how we should calculate net assets method, how we should calculate fair value method, like that only they will ask. You need a formula, you need to give the formula, you need to explain it. Okay, so that's the thing. I hope that you are practicing well, and please comment down in the comment section how you felt about this video, whether you are understanding or not. So evening you are having live ma, so at 5 o'clock we are live streaming. So in that in extra questions also I will discuss this. Okay, so see you all in next video. Bye bye.